We are at the Mesquite sand dunes in Death Valley on a nice little solo trip out here. My birthday was a couple days ago, so I decided to get myself a birthday gift and come back out to one of my favorite parks, and this is it. So it does feel a little weird, kind of eerie being out here, 2,000 miles away from home, alone. So usually have the wife and my daughter with me, so definitely feels weird when you actually get to go somewhere alone. I'm not sure I like it. So that sun is already getting really hot really fast, so I don't know how long we're going to be out here. But yeah, we'll walk around for a while, and I got plenty of water, so see how it goes. From what I am remembering, those are like little lizard tracks. So they always, because you can see with the their feet are doing this, and then their tails dragging. You can see that in the imprint. Like if you look on the side over here, side of this dune right here, you can see a lot of the tracks. You can see they kind of run all over here. A little bit of everywhere. I haven't seen one during the day, so it's got to be early morning or like sunset. All right, well that happened sooner than I thought. I have put my neck gaiter on just to protect the back of my neck here and face when I need to bring it up. So, man, it's so brutal out here. But look at that. Look at the view right there. I just came from that way. It's insane. Right after I talked about the lizards, how I haven't seen one out here in the dunes, I ended up seeing two. Couldn't get any video of them though. They went so fast. So, and they kind of creep up on you. You don't even know what's going on, then all of a sudden they're gone. So it is so dry out here that there's a layer of it just crumbles especially when you walk on it. Like, just crazy how dry it is. Someone's been out here when it's been really muddy. Look how deep those prints are. Let's see my foot here. Almost. It just keeps going. There's just so much. Oh my gosh. Look at all the layers over there. It's insane. I wish it was not midday. I was gonna come out in the evening, but it's supposed to be its highest at 4 o'clock. So I came out here in the morning to try to get back before this afternoon really hits. So, but I don't think it really matters. It's already hot. It's 85 and hot. That's all I can say. The sun isn't like anything I've experienced anywhere else except here. So, and it's just so bright. Being midday right now, there's like no shadows. But let's walk a little further. Probably start heading back here in a little bit. starting to get really, I don't know if you can see, really red on my arms here. So I think I'm gonna call it, head back. This is the furthest I've ever been out here by far. And I'm already breathing kind of heavy. So I don't know if you guys can see that twinkling? Oh, right there. So the car is right there. I can't even zoom in that far. Like I said, I'm pretty out here. I'm pretty close to the really big dune. I'm not gonna get that far today though. I'm just gonna call it, turn around, so I can enjoy the rest of the day. Yay, we're almost there. Yay. Need AC. Oh man. I am so glad I turned around when I did. The hike back, that was kind of brutal. Like, I knew I was out there, but I didn't know I was that far out there, you know what I mean? Kept taking little breaks, taking a drink of water. You try to hit little shade spots here and there. Don't think it was as bad as the Golden Canyon video. There was a lot more shade on that though. I was able to stop more too. This is pretty, it's hard to determine what, like heat, like, oh, this sucked way worse than last time. Like, it's hard to judge that because I think it equally sucks. Had to go in and get a Death Valley root beer. They sell these back at home, but you can't get a Bargs or an A&W root beer when you're in Death Valley, and they sell Death Valley root beer. Plus I need some sugar. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing, and as always, see you in the next one.